In this video, I will show you how to use OBS as a camera source on Discord. So in order to do this, of course, you want to make sure you've got OBS, the plugin, installed. If you don't have that installed currently, all you need to do is come to the website, which is this one here. And what you want to do is come to the direct link, which is obsproject.com/download. From here, just simply select your operating system. So whether you're using Windows, Apple, or Linux, and then you will be able to download the installer. So once that's downloaded, all you want to do is reload Discord up, and what you can do once you've loaded Discord up is come down to your settings. So if you come to the bottom left hand corner and click onto user settings, and then from here you want to come to the menu on the left hand side and search for the one that's called voice and video, which is this one here. Next, what you want to do is just scroll down the page, as the first section deals with the voice, and you want to come down and you'll see the second part deals with video settings. So you'll see the first option underneath camera, you've got a drop down box. So what you can do is click onto this and select OBS virtual camera. And what that's going to do is set OBS as your camera. If you want to test this to see how it does look, there is a test video option here. So all you need to do is click this button to run a test video. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you were to drop a like on the video. And make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks and tutorials for everything tech and digital related. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.